Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah wa syukran la haula wala quwwata illa billahil azim amma ba'd. Ladies and gentlemen, now let me introduce myself. I am Muzahar. I am a lecturer in the Department of Aquaculture, Raja Ali Haji Maritime University. I will present result of our team research entitled Fishing Technique on Sea Cucumber, Holotoroidea, an alternative method for seed production. The research team consists of Muzahar, Rika Wulandari, Dwi Septiani Putri, Tri Yulianto, Hendri Irawan, and Oktori Mandi Bakara. This research was funded by Raja Ali Haji Maritime University for the 2024 Umrah Internal Competitive Research Grant. Therefore, we would like to thank the Rector of Raja Ali Haji Maritime University, the Head of Research and Public Service in Raja Ali Haji Maritime University. Ladies and gentlemen, I will present our team research result. Fishing technique on sea cucumber Holotoroidea, an alternative method for seed production. Introduction, background, 1.1. Sea cucumber Holotoroidea are marine invertebrate with various advantages. High protein content with 18 amino acids and 7 of which are essential amino acids, antifungal and antibacterial properties. Some commercial sea cucumber have faced exploitation pressure due to being traded nationally and internationally. Sea cucumber hunting is currently not only on expensive type, but also on cheaper type in the least concerned species group. High exploitation pressure on this type to sea cucumber has caused their natural population to decline. Therefore, cultural activities breeding are one way to overcome overfishing of the sea cucumber. One of which has been quite successful is the cultivation of sand sea cucumber Holotoroidea cabra in the 2020, but several obstacles still suppresses the sea cucumber culture success. Low survival rate in larval and early juvenile rearing is one of the problems that often occur in Holotoroidea cabra breeding. First of all, 2012. Sexual sea cucumber seed production is still difficult and take a longer time to reach the size ready for grow out fast phase stocking. Alternative solutions are necessary as an effort to provide sea cucumber seed ready for grow out stocking. Several types of sea cucumber can divide themselves fission naturally, which underlies the development of artificial technology to stimulate fission, known as fission technique. Therefore, the application of fission technique on various types on Holotoroidea sea cucumber need to be carried out. 1.2 research purpose. This study aimed to analyze the successive rate of fission technique on several types of sea cucumber found in the littoral zone of Madong Bay, Tanjung Pinang City. Number 2 method. 2.1 time and location research. The study was performed on May until August 2024 in littoral zone of Madong Bay, Kampung Bugis Village, Tanjung Pinang City, as presented in Figure 1. Experimental design. The fission technique was tested in power sea cucumber that were divided into 3 size categories: low 16 gram per sea cucumber, second 60 until 100 gram sea cucumber, and low and high than 100 gram sea cucumber. For reading, we use plastic basket like size. 3 sea cucumber found in littoral zone were applied as study object, namely sand sea cucumber Holotoroidea cabra, black sea cucumber Holotoroidea atra, sea cucumber Holotoroidea sp, and one species from littoral zone on Korek Island, Batam, namely gold sea cucumber Stichopus chloronatus, were also used as a study object as shown in Figure 2, like that. 2.3 fission technique application. There's take a fission technique for Purwati and Duyono 2005 and 2007. The state of fission technique, the number 1, before the fission technique, sea cucumber were drained for a minute and wedged using a digital cell. Second, the middle part of the sea cucumber body was tied with a rubber band to stimulate the sea cucumber to divide its body into two parts. And third, sea cucumber was placed in a plastic basket covered with a net on the bottom and sideline of the basket. The plastic basket containing sea cucumber after fission treatment was then placed in a floating net cake, as shown in figure 3, like that. 2.4 Fission technique result observation. The post-treatment condition on sea cucumber was observed in plastic bucket at 1, 2, 3, and 4 hours. Then at 24 and 48 hours. The successive rate of the fission technique was marked by the separation of the post-treatment sea cucumber body into two new individuals. The survival rate of post-treatment sea cucumber was observed every day until 5 days. Next method, 2.5 parameter. Parameter were composed of one, duration, hour of first fission occurrence to 48 hour of fission period. Second, number of sea cucumber that successfully performed fission, and third, survival rate of sea cucumber. 2.6 data analyzed. All data containing the number of sea cucumber which performed fission, fission duration, and survival rate were analyzed descriptively. Result and number 3, result and discussion. 3.1 fission technique result. The fission technique result are presented in table 1, like that. Yeah. For this table, we can find Stichopus coronatus successfully fission 83.33 successful fission percentage. Survival rate 66.67% and Stichopus coronatus can autotomy. In the first day, fission was absent on black sea cucumber, Phyllothera atra. This sea cucumber underwent fission after fission technique treatment on day 3, which parented to new sea cucumber individual as shown is in figure 4. Like that. This condition was in line with Conan 96 that the monthly regeneration rate of individual sea cucumber originating from the anterior 3.7% and posterior 5.1%. 5.1% section showed a higher survival rate in the posterior section. Small back sea cucumber low 150 grams have a high division rate, reach 20% of the population, while large sea cucumber up to 300 rarely experience fission. Gold sea cucumber Stichopus coronatus obtain the high successive rate of fission, 83.33% after fission technique treatment as shown in figure 1. Figure 5, in figure 5. Figure 5, gold sea cucumber coronatus on position technique. Red arrow rubber band binding the sea cucumber and another new individual. Fission state of Stichopus sp that were described by according another some author are 1. Initiation, 2. Construction and spiration, 3. Tissue regeneration, 4. 1. Closure, 5. Organ regeneration, and finally growth and recovery. Stichopus coronatus can perform autotomy. This species slowly shed its ventral skin, but the ventral part is unlikely so in figure 6. This process lasts for a short time, at about 2 until 3 minutes. Like that, autotomy in the ventral part of the sea cucumber, Stichopus coronatus. And number 4, conclusion and suggestion. 4.1 conclusion. Fission technique is more suitable for gold sea cucumber Stichopus coronatus as an alternative way to supply sea cucumber seed that are ready for ground fast culture activity. And we suggested the sea cucumber Stichopus coronatus produced by the fission technique needs to be tested in multiple locations to analyze its growth performance in Madung Bay, Tanjung Pinang City. And finally, acknowledgement. We would like to thank again to Director of Raja Ali Multimedia University and Head of Research and Public Service in Raja Ali Multimedia University who have fund this project. Also, we would like to appreciate to the student who helped finish this project, Raja Muhammad Syafiq, Diki, Septi, Yudia, and Sapizar. And special thank to Hamzah family, Bang Hamzah, Bang Ahmad, Bang Amir, and Bang Atan, who have helped a lot with this research. Then our friends, thank you very much for your attention. Billahi taufiq, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.